Okay. Ordinal numbers and dates. Now we're gonna listen and try to repeat with them to make sure that your pronunciation is right. هتسمعي وتقولي زيهم علشان بس ايه نظبط البرونسيشن بتاعنا وكده.
Okay.
Unit 9, Recording 2.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th.
Okay.
Let's read.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth,
Fifth.
sixth. لحظة again. Fifth,
Fifth.
sixth. Teacher, what's this? Okay.
Sixth.
Sixth.
Hmm.
Okay. Seventh.
Seventh.
Eighth.
سأتقيها حطي تي اتش.
ما هو teacher oh my god. Okay. لحظة. Seventh. Okay.
Seventh.
Eighth.
Hmm.
Ninth.
Hmm.
10th. 11th. 12th.
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 9th 10th 11th 12th.
Okay.
بنزود التي اتش. تي اتش بتنطق ازاي؟ زي الث ساوند عندنا ف
Yes.
ثعلب كده ثعلب. عارفة you know how to pronounce ث sound؟
No.
تي اتش بتديني الساوند بتاع ذا and ث.
ذا اوكي.
زي ثعلب ث
ذا اوكي يعني حسب اوكي.
هنا بتنطق ايه تي اتش الثاء.
Yes. Okay.
Now match the words in the box with the numbers. We're gonna match these words with the numbers. I think it's very easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Let's start.
Let's go. 20th.
20s. Which letter? E. Okay, right.
Okay. 17th.
17th.
C. 13th.
13th. Third. Listen. 13th.
Okay. Third. A.
Okay.
30th. J.
G. Okay.
Okay. 22nd. 22nd. 20. 22nd. F.
Okay.
19th. D.
Okay.
15th. Okay. 15th. B. Okay. 31st. H.
Okay, very easy.
Yes.
Let's listen. Unit 9, Recording 3. A. 13th. B. 15th. C. 17th. D. 19th. E. 20th. F. 22nd. G. 30th. H. 31st.
Okay.
teacher أقدر يعني أحفظ الاختصارات بس ولا
writing when you write يعني it's okay بس برضه تبقي عارفة يعني
okay.
the whole word you have to know it لازم
Okay.
تبقي عارفاه. Okay طبعا first second third دي ال ordinal numbers.
Okay.
Check the dates, write the missing words. ايه ال missing words هنا؟ دي 1st March, the 1st of March, 2nd May, the 2nd of May, وهكذا.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you continue it, please.
Okay. Again, the 1st of March,
Mm.
January, February.
You write them بقى. You write them on your book.
Okay, تمام.
Okay.
Mm.
You continue it. Special days. Listen and match the dates with the special days. Now we're gonna listen and match these days with the dates. Okay? Focus.
Unit 9, Recording 5. 1. Canada Day is on the 1st of July. 2. United Nations Day is on the 24th of October. 3. St. Patrick's Day in Ireland is on the 17th of March. 4. Independence Day in Mexico is on the 16th of September. 5. Freedom Day in South Africa is on the 27th of April.
Okay. 1D, 2E, 3C, 4A, 5B.
Okay, well done. Now read the information about national days in Canada. How many does the text mention? Here we have this information. It's about national holidays in Canada. I want you to write down how many does text mention. How many national days does they have? Let's read. Start.
Okay.
They are related to this, by the way.
يعني حط هذولي هني. Okay.
Sometimes we're gonna need it. Okay, choose it.
Okay. Canada Day. Culprits.
Celebrate.
Okay. Celebrate
Celebrate.
the birthday of Canada on 1. لحظة again. Okay. اللفظ ايش كان؟ second. لا استنى.
First.
Okay. 1.
The first. مش بنقول عليها one طالما في اس تي يبقى ده مين؟ First.
Okay. On 1st July 1867. 1st July
احنا
is
ممكن يعني if you don't know how to pronounce it, it's very easy. You can count. You can say 1867.
okay.
You divide
20.
them into two numbers.
Okay.
Okay.
July is a national okay, holiday. So people in Canada don't work on that day. Other national holiday in Canada are holidays in Canada are New Year's Day on New Year's. ما New Year's فبيكون July 1st.
July. Okay.
July. Okay. Labor Day on the first Monday. And first Monday. The first January.
Labor Day. Do we have Labor Day here? We don't have it.
No.
We don't. Okay. Okay. Let's listen to complete the information. خلينا نسمع ونكمل information طالما هم مش موجودين.
Let's go.
Unit 9, Recording 6.
National holidays in Canada. Canada Day celebrates the birthday of Canada on the 1st of July, 1867. The 1st of July is a national holiday, so people in Canada don't work on that day. Other national holidays in Canada are New Year's Day on the 1st of January, Labor Day on the first Monday in September, Thanksgiving on the second Monday in October, and Remembrance Day on the 11th of November.
Okay,
No.
did you write it?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now write down 5 dates, including national holidays or special days in your country, your birthday, the birthday of people in your town. National holidays or special days in your country.
Wallahi, I don't know. A special day.
Your birthday, it would be enough to have your birthday.
Of course.
Huh. Look here,
My-
look here. My birthday is on the 22nd of October. So you have to say it in the same way.
So 22nd. 22nd. Okay. المصيبة يعني okay. January. Okay. My birthday is on
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
لحظة 15 لا
ها 15 هنحط عليها ايه 15th
15 okay
and then
15 okay of January.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In
Teacher,
19
أقدر أقول my birthday in January. Yeah, 15 January.
15th th we add th.
Okay.
Okay. Read about the year 1986. Try to complete the text with the numbers and names in the box. Okay. Wants you to use this words to put it here in this passage, but of course this information are new for you and they are difficult to know. So we're gonna to listen and then add the missing word. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Unit 9, Recording 7. A.
Ronald Reagan was President of the USA. He was 75 years old.
B.
The number one film of the year was Top Gun, with American film star Tom Cruise. Other popular films in that year were Crocodile Dundee, with Australian actor Paul Hogan, and Karate Kid, with Italian-American actor Ralph Macchio.
C.
Germany wasn't a single country. There were two countries called Germany, East and West. Bonn was the capital of West Germany, and East Berlin was the capital of East Germany.
D.
The FIFA World Cup was in Mexico, and the winners were Argentina. Diego Maradona was the captain of the winning team.
E.
There weren't any DVDs, laptops, or iPads. Vinyl records were still popular.
F.
There were 12 countries in the European Union. Poland and Hungary weren't members of the European Union.
Okay.
Finished? Sure.
Yes, teacher, I finished.
Okay. Who is the president of the USA now؟ ربنا ياخده بإذن الله.
لحظة.
أكيد مش عارفة، يعني مش عارفة، مش عارفة.
لا who is the president of the USA
President.
Trump
ها.
president قصدي teacher a president what's mean a president
President Trump.
رئيس هو يعني president
Trump.
yes okay Trump
Okay. What other films does Tom Cruise star in? Do you know Tom Cruise?
no يعني ما أعرف عنه زيادة
الحمد لله. شغلة skips us. What is the capital of Germany? It's very easy.
of the Germany
Mm.
teacher easy for you but no
Berlin. Berlin is the capital city of Germany.
teacher أنا زيرو في الجغرافيا بالله عليكي
ما يعني I think it was here.
where
ولا أنا اللي بتهيألي طيب.
هو كان في شيء Germany I think
لا هم ما قالوش الكانتري. طيب خلاص ما عليك. خلاص let's skip all these questions. يعني خلينا في ال past.
أحسن
يلا بالظبط كده.